So, you want to invest in real estate. But the problem is, houses cost a lot of money. You check Zillow, see that affordable house for $500,000, and suddenly you realize your bank account is only affordable enough for ramen noodles and Netflix. But hey, don't panic. You don't need to buy a house to be a real estate investor. No 20% down payment, no mortgage headaches, no my tenant's raccoon is stuck in the attic problems. Enter REITs. No, it's not a new TikTok dance. It's the easiest way to invest in real estate without ever buying property. Stick around, because today I'm going to break down what a REIT actually is, without boring you to death, how it makes you money while you sleep, why it might be the best starter investment for beginners, and of course, the pros and cons you need to know before you dive in. If the REIT owns properties that increase in value, the share price can also go up. So basically, you're earning money while eating pizza, sleeping, or practicing that dance you'll never post on TikTok. Part 3, types of REITs. All right, let's talk flavors of REITs, because yes, they come in different types. 1. Equity REITs. Part 4, why beginners love REITs. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, but why should I invest in a REIT instead of just buying real estate myself? Good question. Here's why beginners love them. Super low barrier to entry. You can start with as little as $10 to $100. No property management headaches. Instant diversification. Instead of buying one house, you're investing in hundreds of properties at once. And liquid. You can sell your shares anytime, unlike selling a house, which takes forever. Basically, it's like real estate light. All the flavor, none of the calories. Part 5, the downsides. Okay, but it's not all rainbows and rent checks. Let's be real, REITs do have cons. Share prices can be volatile, just like the stock market, they go up and down. You don't have full control like you would if you owned property directly, and of course, dividends are taxable. Uncle Sam wants his cut, always. So while REITs are beginner-friendly, they're not 100% stress-free. Parts: no closing costs, no agents, no awkward "please fix my leaking sink" calls. No down payments, no tenants, no raccoons in the attic. Just easy, stress-free exposure to the real estate market. So, if you want to start investing but don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars lying around, REITs might be your perfect first step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like, tap subscribe, and tell me in the comments, would you rather buy a REIT or own your own rental property? Because remember, in real estate, you don't always need a house. Sometimes you just need a share.